Here we'll go over how to create an expression. We'll be demoing with a robot built according to the first robot instructions in the user guide. You can create your bot any way that you like, and it'll probably look a lot better than this. Mine will just serve as an example for all the sections we'll cover in these videos. As always, start by plugging in your Hummingbird board to the USB port on your computer. If you have not yet done so, open the Create Lab Visual Programmer. We'll start with some basics for this demo. Each section within Visual Programmer controls an action on your Hummingbird board. You can control the brightness of your LEDs, the brightness and color of tricolor LEDs, the speed and direction of the motors, the angle of the servos, and the intensity of vibration motors. The parts we will be using for this demo include 2 LEDs and 1 servo. At the bottom of the programmer, you'll have access to audio functions. Here you can add a tone, add a clip from either our provided options, or you can upload sound, or you can use the text-to-speech option.
Hello.
First, we'll try LEDs. Select the LED you would like to activate by clicking on the box next to it. Once you've done that, the control for that function will appear. In this case, you can control the brightness of your LED. Each component has 3 ways you can set it. You can either set it to 0, which turns it off, or you can set it to a number, which will set it to that value. Finally, you can deselect it, which means that you want the value of that component to not be changed by this expression. As you activate them in the expression builder, you should notice your connected components responding. Try this with any of the LED, motors, or audio functions you see here. You'll also notice that you have multiple ports for all of your functions. All ports can be activated at the same time, so if you would like all 4 of your LED ports to be active, just set them each individually. Now I'll connect my servo. Side note, servos and standard motors need a little extra power to run. Make sure that you use your extra power source as provided in your kit. As stated before, using Visual Programmer, you can control the angle of your servos once the control is activated. Once you have an expression built, you'll need to save it. To save your expression, click on the Save button located at the top right side of the screen. Choose a name for that expression and click OK to save it to the list of expressions on the right. Now you are free to create another expression. When you go to save your latest expression, the prompt will be slightly different. To save this as a new expression, select Save As. Just like before, title the expression and it will be saved to your expression options. To overwrite the expression you previously created, click Save and it will replace your old expression with this new one. Once you have a few expressions built, you are then ready to create a sequence.